So, couple of things. I've got a little mega unboxing for you. It's going to be freaking insane. I actually don't know what's in all of these boxes. There's a lot here. I'm really excited. You're excited as well. Yep. And it's going to be freaking awesome. The first thing I'll say is it's going to be in a playlist. So if you want to watch the entire playlist of all of the unboxings, check out the playlist down below. And you can watch all of it as if it was like a 20-minute long video, because I know there's some content creators that do mega unboxings and the videos are like 20-30 minutes long, and I love watching them. However, I don't think everyone on YouTube has 20-30 minutes to like watch a whole video, so I'm gonna just make a playlist and then have individual videos on each one. And if you guys want me to do an in-depth of something I've unboxed, hit the like button on that particular video or leave a comment, let me know. And the first one we're going to unbox is this one, this mysterious box, which I had a quick little peek of, and there's like black tissue. So I'm not entirely sure what this is. This is my first mystery unboxing. It's the first in the entire episode. Let's check it out. Whoa. Okay, so the first thing we see here is freaking Gillette Labs heated razor. Which sounds weird AF. Like, have you heard anything like this before? It sounds crazy. So we've got like a little thing here. Let's check this out. Congratulations. You're one of the first people in the UK to receive Gillette Labs heated razor. We hope you're excited to try the new evolution in shaving, giving you the feel of a hot towel shave every day. As a thank you for support, we've included shower gel to give you the best possible experience. Be sure to follow us. Many thanks, the Gillette Labs team. So it's freaking cool. We're going to check this out. I've seen Instagram promos of this stuff. And one question I have is just, can't you run your razor under a hot tap? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so first of all, we've got some razor heads, which I guess like are specific to this, because if you look closely, there is like a bar there that heats up supposedly. So I don't know how hot that gets, but it'd be interesting. And I wonder how expensive these are. But I mean, I'll try it out and let you guys know. We got the free limited edition. Well, it says limited edition. I imagine it's the same stuff. Shave gel, which is, you know, makes it all nice and foamy, which is great. Ooh, fancy box for a razor. So that's probably the best way you can see it. So as you can see, there's a kind of a magnet, because obviously it's got to be charged and whatnot. So it's got electronic magnetic charging, and apparently it heats up, and then you shave, and it seems pretty cool. Whoa, that's a chunky boy. That is chunky. So as you can see there, so it's got like a rotating head on it, which is pretty interesting. There you go. So I can like, it like moves side to side. Has the on switch on the bottom. Is it on? Does it have battery? No. But it looks really nice. And at the bottom, there's like no contacts, which I imagine is where the magnetic charging comes in. In the box, we get one spare razor head and the charging station, which is heavy. Oh my word. Whew. There's just a little puck that this, I guess this sits on. How does that? That's pretty nifty. It's a bit wobbly, but I mean, in your bathroom, there you go. It's nicely there. It's kind of cool. Just feature there. That's pretty cool. So I'll be sure to check this out. Let you guys know if you guys want me to do a follow-up video with this. Let you know how it is. Let me know. Obviously, always comes with the bathroom charger sort of thing. I'll let you know. But that is some crazy technology for your face.